If your Skyworth TV turns on, but the screen stays completely black, no logo, no picture, maybe not even a response from the remote, before assuming the TV is dead or needs repair, there are two reset methods that fix this problem surprisingly often: a soft reset and a hard reset. Start with the simple one first. It may just be frozen after a software glitch, power surge, or HDMI conflict. A soft reset forces the TV to refresh itself. Do exactly as I say. If you don't, the reset won't work. First, turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall outlet, not from an extension cord, not from a power strip. Unplug it directly from the wall. Now wait about 60 seconds. While waiting, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for around 15 to 20 seconds. You'll usually find this button underneath the logo of the TV. This step helps discharge leftover power trapped inside the TV. It sounds simple, but this alone fixes black screen issues for many people. After that, plug the TV back directly into the wall. Now this part matters. Turn the TV on using the physical power button on the TV, not the remote. If the screen comes back, great. Your TV likely just had a temporary software freeze, but if the screen is still black, move to the stronger reset method. Hard reset. This method goes a step further and clears hidden power issues that sometimes cause a black screen. Start by unplugging the TV again. Now remove everything connected to the TV. That means HDMI devices, streaming sticks, gaming consoles, USB drives, soundbars, or external devices. Why? Because sometimes one faulty HDMI device can force the TV into a black screen state. Once everything is disconnected, press and hold the TV's physical power button for 20 seconds. This helps drain any remaining electricity stored inside the TV. Now leave the TV unplugged for about 5 minutes. Yes, actually wait. This gives the TV enough time to fully reset. After 5 minutes, plug the TV directly into the wall outlet again. Avoid power strips for now. Next, turn the TV on using the button on the TV itself. Do not use the remote yet. If the screen turns back on, don't reconnect everything immediately. Plug your devices back in one at a time. Check the screen after each device. If the black screen returns after connecting one specific device, you just found the cause. And that's it. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more tech tips.